Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this occasion, we will present material on poetry analysis based on historical approach. And first of all, let me introduce our group members. My name is Vanessa Aceng Saputri, and the other members are Wildan Noval Nafis and Katrina Kaha. Okay, what is poetry? Poetry is an imaginary word that is accurate from a human consciousness, whether of an experience or an idea, and is arranged using a set of correct word or language and putting aesthetic qualities first in addition. Jadi puisi adalah kata imajiner yang diperoleh dari kesadaran manusia baik dari pengalaman atau ide dan disusun menggunakan seperangkat kata atau bahasa yang baik dan mengutamakan kualitas estetika.
Introduction. William Butler Yeats was born in Ireland, and he was a well-known poet and one of the prominent figures of 20th century literature. And he was a pillar in both the Irish and British literary establishment and achievement. In his later year, he served as an Irish senator for 2 terms.
1. The Poetry.
The Poetry Politic by William Butler Yeats is a 12-line poetry that is contained within a single stanza of text and thoughtful poetry about war and inner or outer life. It was written the year before he passed away. Politics by William Butler Yeats. In our time, the destiny of man presents its meaning in political terms. Thomas Mann. How can I, that girl standing there, my attention fixed on Roman or on Russian or on Spanish politics? Yet here's a traveled man that knows what he talks about, and there's a politician that has read and thought, and maybe what they say is true. Of war and war's alarm. But oh, that I were young again, and held her in my arms. And the translate is, bagaimana saya bisa, gadis yang berdiri di sana, memperbaiki perhatian saya tentang Romawi atau Rusia atau politik Spanyol. Namun inilah orang yang berpergian yang tahu apa yang dia bicarakan, dan ada seorang politisi yang telah membaca dan berpikir. Dan mungkin apa yang mereka katakan itu benar tentang perang dan alarm perang. Tapi aku mudah kembali dan memeluknya dalam pelukanku. The poetry is written in free verse. This means that the poet did not make use of a specific rhyme scheme or metrical pattern. And for example, the first 3 lines end with the word there, fixed, and Russian. Additionally, the lines vary in length. Then the first line is 7 words and 8 syllables, while the second line is a 3 word and 5 syllables. Jadi puisi ini ditulis dalam syair yang bebas. Artinya penyair tidak menggunakan skema rima atau pola metrik tertentu. Misalnya 3 baris pertama diakhiri dengan kata there, fix, and Russia. Selain itu, garis bervariasi panjangnya. Baris pertama terdiri dari 7 kata dan 8 suku kata, sedangkan baris kedua terdiri dari 3 kata dan 5 suku kata. And next, analysis by historical approach will be delivered by Wildan Noval Nafis.
2. Analyzing by historical approach.
Right. Politics is a poetry by Irish poet William Butler Yeats, written on May 24, 1938. It was composed during the time of the Spanish Civil War as well as during the pre-war period of Adolf Hitler's Third Reich in Germany. The poetry hints at the political situations of Rome or Italy, Russia or the Soviet Union, and Spain, but ultimately discusses topics more relevant to private human interaction rather than public or political situations. Politics adalah puisi oleh penyair Irlandia William Butler Yeats yang ditulis pada 24 Mei 1938. Puisi ini dikupas selama masa perang saudara Spanyol serta selama periode sebelum perang Reich ketiga Adolf Hitler di Jerman. Puisi mengisyaratkan situasi politik Roma atau Italia, Rusia atau Uni Soviet, dan Spanyol. Tetapi pada akhirnya membahas topik yang lebih relevan dengan interaksi pribadi manusia daripada publik atau situasi politik. Puisi itu tidak pernah menyebutkan Jerman atau Hitler, meskipun fakta bahwa perang dan alarm perang di sekitar penciptaan puisi muncul dari ketakutan agresi Jerman daripada Italia, Rusia, atau Spanyol. Banyak versi teks yang ada, naskah asli Mei 1938, naskah pertama dengan koreksi tulisan dengan tangan tertanggal 12 Agustus 1938, serta edisi keren terakhir dari puisi tertanggal 29 Juni 1939 yang tidak diterbitkan sampai dimasukkan dalam puisi terakhir pada tahun 1939. Yeats bermaksud agar puisi itu dicetak terakhir dalam koleksi sebagai envoy untuk disersi hewan sirkus. Dan sementara perdebatan tentang urutan puisi yang sebenarnya terus berlanjut sejak tahun 1939. Politik adalah puisi lirik terakhir Yeats menulis dan tetap menjadi karya terakhir yang dicetak di semua edisi Anumerta. Yeats wrote this poetry as World War II was right around the corner and during the midst of the Spanish Civil War, to express his disillusionment with politics, something that he cared about all his life, and desire to turn toward love and other individual inner experiences. Yeats menulis puisi ini karena Perang Dunia II sudah dekat dan selama Perang Saudara Spanyol untuk mengungkapkan kecewaannya terhadap politik atau sesuatu yang dia pedulikan sepanjang hidupnya dan keinginan untuk beralih ke cinta dan individu lainnya, pengalaman batin. Explanation with reference to context. How can I, that girl standing there, my attention fixed on Roman or on Russian or on Spanish politics? These lines throw light on the attitude of the poet toward politics and love. How politics becomes worthless and unimportant in the wake of love. The poet cannot concentrate and take part in the discussion about different issues of the political world, whether they concern with Roman, Russian, or Spanish politicians, the presence of a tempting girl. The girl is a symbol of love, beauty, and life and other charms. The poet questions how he can ignore that girl, although it is essential to be aware of the political world. The reality of charming lass is more important than politics. In this way, the value of love is obvious to us, that there is nothing so enchanting that experience of love. Baris-baris ini menyoroti sikap penyair terhadap politik dan cinta. Bagaimana politik menjadi tidak berharga dan tidak penting setelah cinta. Penyair tidak bisa berkonsentrasi dan mengambil bagian dalam diskusi tentang berbagai masalah dunia politik, apakah itu menyangkut politisi Romawi, Rusia, atau Spanyol. Tentang kehadiran gadis yang menggoda. Gadis adalah simbol cinta, kecantikan, dan kehidupan, dan pesona lainnya. Penyair mempertanyakan bagaimana dia bisa mengabaikan gadis itu, meskipun penting untuk menyadari dunia politik realitas gadis menawan lebih penting daripada politik. Dengan cara ini, nilai cinta jelas bagi kita bahwa tidak ada yang lebih mempesona daripada pengalaman cinta. Yet, here's a traveled man that knows what he talks about, and there's a politician that has read and thought. In these lines, the poet presents and compares the qualities of two highly learned and experienced men. One is a traveler who has vast knowledge and observation at different areas of every country. Other is great politician who is highly qualified and can discuss on every topic very well. What he wants to say is that for the sake of love, he is not interested in the solid discussion of such politician. Dalam baris-baris ini, penyair menyajikan dan membandingkan kualitas dua orang yang sangat terpelajar dan berpengalaman. Salah satunya adalah seorang musafir yang memiliki pengetahuan dan pengamatan yang luas tentang berbagai bidang di setiap negara. Yang lain adalah politisi hebat yang berkualifikasi tinggi dan dapat mendiskusikan tentang topik dengan sangat baik. Apa yang ingin dia katakan adalah bahwa demi cinta dia tidak tertarik dengan diskusi padat politisi semacam itu. Next will be presented by Katrina KH.
Symbol and maybe what they say is true of war and war's alarms, but oh that I were young again and he'll here in my arms. In these lines, the poet cites the the ideas and comments expressed by politicians and the trifling and may be convincing and perfect based upon reality. Their prediction about war, the gods in different countries may be true in spite of their accords. The poet rejects all the arguments, putting aside all the political issue he wishes to become young again, to make love to the young lads. These lines show the word of love in a clear way. The gear invigorates his imagination and he yearns to lose in the world of love and romance, but is his painful fact that he can be young only in imagination. Trinity, what is the theme of politics? The theme is inner versus outer life. The speaker alludes to the things around him and others that where is a bastard. Then he discusses how he could remain ignorant what the nature of politics, but turns his attention instead to his inner longings. What is the message of politics? The poem message is the meaning comes from one inner life and emotion, like love experiences, like relationships, not from where.
The writer's opinion.
Dear reader's opinion, the interrogation is illustrated in the following quote, but oh, I'm young again and hold here in my arms, as a Patwa immigrant in modern times, yet much else included that are happening around him. In the Depodri, he describes a situation he feels in which vigilance and fear of the situation between urban contrasts that are experiencing problems. Attacks and political problems are being described. The following is an excerpt from the passage in question. My attention is fixed on Roman or on Russian or on Spanish politics.
Enough of the presentation from our group. If there are more or less, we apologize physically and mentally. Thanks, and goodbye.